Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to open a Starling Bank account, it is very easy and can be done from your phone. First, download and install the app from your app store. Then, go ahead and open the app and tap on Get Started. Now, you'll have to choose between what you want to do. So, you're going to click on Open a new account, and if you could choose either you want personal, joint, or business account, then you could again choose. If you're adult and over 18, then you'll have to choose personal. If you're 16 to 17, then you'll choose teen account. Then click on Get Started, then click Done. Next, you'll have to go on Accounts List and you'll have to click on Start Application. Then go ahead and enter your phone number. Once your phone number is there, then you'll have to verify your identity, including uploading a photo of your ID and taking a selfie for confirmation. Once your details are verified, your account will be created. This process may take few minutes depending on your verification. After approval, you can start using your account, add money, and access all features. Now your Starling Bank account is ready to use. Thanks for watching and see you